on one little DVD.
Yeah.
And it won't be long before the DVDs that we get are a lot bigger than 4 point. Oh, I'll shut up now.
Good idea.
Well, happy, I was going to almost say Guy Fawkes Night, but it's not yet. So. Anyway, happy celebrating Guy Fawkes Night.
Whee!
I said.
Yes, happy 5th of November. Bonfire Night! Woo! Little sparks going off all over the city. I keep missing all the good ones. I'm looking at them, but the video camera is not pointing in the right direction. Never mind. Screamers! Seems to be most going on over this direction, I think. Peter's making his way over to the tube to do another one. Bonfire Night doesn't seem to bother Alpin at all. Quite used to it. Leah, on the other hand, is not enjoying herself quite so much. Here we go. See Peter lighting up the next firework. Here he goes. They were good. Ooh.
Did you hear those sticks?
Yes, I did. Really very close to me.
Alpin's loving this,
Yes.
which he does every year.
He chases the fireworks. Not sure that's a great thing for him to be doing, but he enjoys it, so. Ooh, that was a big one. Do-do-do-do, here he goes again. Is Alpin standing right under it?
Oh, watch out! Alpin!
Oh, I think that was rather faulty.
No, the sticks got stuck in the tube.
Oh,
Hey,
oh my God!
Yay!
And here we are, blowing up the dog on Bonfire Night.
Oh. That smells like Sim's dog hair.
I'm not surprised.